Hello everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video, I wanted to share with you what's the reason that you might not be able to get success if you actually are taking someone else's program, someone else's course. And this is my reason. I think most of the time people actually don't succeed if they go ahead and buy some sort of program or course, right? So, the first thing that you have to realize is pretty much they're teaching all these strategies and tricks and tips just to cater for the mass audience, right? And the niche, the number one thing is the niche. If you they're actually giving all these niches to all these different people, right? Some of the times people actually take that niche and they start to see success, but majority of the time when actually a niche is actually given to a person, they never ever see that their channel succeeding because already that niche is super saturated, and if they have the mindset that I'm just going to be doing this short term and I'll be earning all this money from YouTube, right? And when they don't see the results, they actually get disappointed within the first month or two, right? And I have just within the past 3 4 days I have had 5 people actually reach out to me. They have been doing YouTube automation for the past 2 years. They haven't seen any success. They haven't seen any results, right? Some of them, they have been doing it for like probably 9 months. But the max amount of time that I've seen, I was speaking to one of the guy yesterday, and he's been doing YouTube for about 2 years. Still hasn't seen any success, right? He already spent close to about $7,000 8,000 on his team. But the main thing that I want you to know that the niche that actually the program is giving you is already super saturated, and you're not becoming unique. You're just copying and pasting someone else's work onto your channel, and which will actually get you little to no results, right? If you want to make that $500 days, $1,000 days, $1,600 days, $1,500 days, you need to be creative, right? That's the number one thing. And you need to be doing niche, the niche that's not actually spoken about mainly on YouTube, right? You need to do your own research. How you can find those niches is by coming to YouTube, going to incognito tabs, and just see which channels are actually recommending from YouTube. So I can go and do the research from there and then see which other channels are actually getting suggested if you just click and watch those videos, right? That's how you start to get ideas. And that's how you're actually going to be unique and different. So your first thing is your channel won't be saturated and the niche won't be saturated. So that way it's going to be a better chance for you to be making more money, right? And if this is your first time on my channel, I put out videos on a daily basis in terms of helping people to make money from their YouTube automation business. And I've been doing YouTube since 2017. I have built multiple channels over the time. I've sold multiple channels, and I also manage clients' channel. Also, at the same time, I'm doing one-on-one coaching. So, and if you need all this free information, what you need to do is go to my channel homepage. And this is the first video that we'll start to watch. And in here, I cover like step-by-step video-based tutorial, right? So how you can actually, as a complete beginner, start to generate that passive income from your YouTube automation channel and your business, right? So again, that's the number one thing that you need to do to get success on YouTube is choose the right niche. Because if you choose the wrong niche, you'll be stuck on YouTube for like 5 10 years. You won't see any results. And this one niche I don't actually recommend people to do is finance niche, right? The finance niche is doesn't work on faceless YouTube automation channels, is because people actually want to see a person speaking to them in the camera, in front of the camera, and they want to know like if the financial advice the person actually giving to them is coming from a real person, right? Not a faceless channel. So this one niche, forget about doing it. Finance niche, don't do finance niche. You'll be losing a lot of money over time. And hopefully by following this method, you're not going to be wasting any money, right? So again, if you want to know how I actually build up my YouTube niche and how I actually select my niche, I'll leave a link in the description, so go and click on it, and you'll see my exact strategy what I follow to actually find the best niche on YouTube just by following that simple strategy, right? Again, if you have any more questions, leave in the comment section below, and I here to help you, support you, guide you every single step of the way. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and bye for now.